I begin in the name of God, the most kind, the most compassionate. Let's take a moment and reflect. I think we can all agree that life is a struggle. The reality is, time doesn't slow down to accommodate for our hardships and emotions. And we human beings are very complex creatures, and we can achieve amazing heights. However, I believe we all have a common desire in which we yearn to have. A desire which is so simple, yet it is worth more than any amount of materialistic wealth. It's as simple as happiness. I can share with you a secret to obtain happiness, depending on the happiness that you want. If you are after temporary happiness, then go out and buy yourself something new. Perhaps a new phone or a new car, an expensive watch, whatever you can afford. But I can't promise you that this happiness won't lead to a constant feeling of emptiness and loneliness. True happiness is achieved when you no longer feel a sense of loneliness during the hardships in your life. And there is only one friend that can fill the cup of your heart with contentment and love. That friend is Allah, the one who is always with you, even though you might not be aware of it. The moment you decide to journey towards Him and strengthen your connection with Him, you will find everlasting happiness.